hosting a New Year's Eve party. Not only do I want my nails and my makeup to look sparkly, I want my house sparkly too. Decided on a star theme, something celestial and sparkling for my Let's Thrive in 25 New Year's Eve party. So I'm gonna make some star garlands and put them around the house, nice and sparkly. Everything on a budget. I bought some garland, I bought some glittery paper. I'm gonna cut it with the Cricut. Let me show you. Got these garlands at Michael's. They were 60% off. I'm going to hang stars from them. The garlands are 12 feet long. I am going to cut them in half, so I'll have 4 pieces to work with. I just laid out a rough design for these stars, which I'm going to hang by individual wires up on this garland. To hang my stars, I am making a hole using this large safety pin. I'm using this 28 gauge wire to make a little hook. Now, kind of like a hook that would hold a Christmas ornament. And then the other side will get just a little. Hanging the stars is super easy. Just hook the wire right onto the garland. So here is my garland that I added stars to on my banister. I'm just going to add some battery operated lights to it. I like how the wire gives this star some dimension. Some of them stick out a little bit, some of them are back further. It's cute. Now for my garland that will hang from the ceiling. I'm going to use this gold thread to glue on some stars to make a garland. My garlands are going to be different lengths. My paper is one-sided, so I'm going to glue 2 stars together on the thread. So when it spins, it's sparkly on both sides. I'm using Mod Podge to glue the stars to the gold thread. We'll let that dry and we can hang it up. Tying a little loop at the top for hanging. I'm just using some clear tape hang them on the ceiling. They're very light, so I think the tape will hold fine. I'm also putting stars on these cute straws. These are paper straws. A little Mod Podge right down the center. And I'm varying the heights on the stars just to make it look cute. I think I'm going to put them in a mason jar or maybe in a vase. All right, and we'll just let them dry. And now for a few words. So I'm going to make my grandmother's Christmas star cookie recipe. It is a very simple recipe with just 3 ingredients. The stars will be perfect for my star party. If you guys want me to share this recipe with you, I can. Just let me know in the comments. Wishing you happiness, peace, good health, and prosperity. Thank you for watching, liking, subscribing, and sharing. See you in the next one.